How's it going, guys? It's Aaron here. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. I want to thank all my longtime subscribers and viewers for your continued support. It really means a lot to me. And for all you new viewers out there and soon-to-be subscribers, hopefully, I want to extend a warm welcome to you all. Today we have another very special unboxing. It's a CalDigit product. It is a Thunderbolt docking station, more so like a hub. It is the Thunderbolt Station 3, TS3 for sure, Plus by CalDigit. I believe this model is a space gray model. I have not opened it. We are doing it on camera, not pre-done, repackaged. It's all being done for the first time on camera, so you'll get my genuine reaction. I've been waiting for this a very long time. I've been very picky, quite frankly, as to which Thunderbolt dock I wanted ever since getting my 15-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar in 2017. I've wanted one so that I can connect all my peripherals without having individual cables and adapters and all types of things for USB-C and Thunderbolt. I wanted to take advantage of a one-cable solution, and I believe this will be the answer to my prayers here. And so I've looked long and hard. It was not cheap. I will leave it to your imagination what it costs. You can check it out on Amazon and other retailers online or in person, but it should be worthwhile. As you can see, it has a nice compact packaging. It goes over some of the benefits quickly. It says 15 ports of connectivity, gigabit Ethernet connectivity. You can hook up digital, optical, audio devices. It can charge your device with up to 85 watts of power. That was a major factor in me choosing this dock, besides the reliability that I've read about and also the quality, but it's really the fact that it can charge my MacBook Pro hopefully at full speed without having to connect a separate adapter, all one cable. Pretty sweet. Thunderbolt 3 dual ports. It has the ability to read an SD card directly from it, and it's aluminum construction, so it should be nice, solid, and pretty and beautiful. And on the side, you can see it says space gray, so it does confirm that. It shows the different ports. It's meant to primarily be stood vertically, it appears, and has the SD card slot, headphones. It looks like audio in, and you have USB-C 3.1 and USB-A 3.1. This is all in the front of the device. On the rear of the device, you'll have gigabit Ethernet, digital optical out. You'll have a USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 once again. Oh, excuse me, there's a Gen 1 on the front. This is interesting. Gen 1 on the front, Gen 2 on the back. It says data only. Okay. Then and data only on the front as well for USB-C. Then you have four USB-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports. And you have a Thunderbolt 3 host that connects to the computer, which I look forward to connecting. We have a Thunderbolt 3 downstream, okay, which can connect another peripheral too. We have DisplayPort 1.2. We have power as well. One thing that I guess I did not consider is, well, I guess it's not really a big deal because the monitor that I recently unboxed on the channel, the LG it's 27 UK650W, which if you haven't seen the unboxing and initial impressions video, check it out in the link below in the description. It has the ability to connect to DisplayPort 1.2. I was thinking I was going to use the HDMI 2.0, but I guess it's not really a big deal as long as I can get the right kind of refresh rate and display resolution, of course, the 4K 60 Hertz, I believe, that the computer is capable of outputting and the display is capable of displaying. On the other side, it shows you the max resolution. It's capable of outputting 5K over Thunderbolt 3, and the display port is actually capable of outputting 4K at 60 Hertz, so that's not going to be a problem. And we have some listed technical specifications, pretty much what I read off to you. It shows that the relative size of the device is about that of a coffee cup, which is kind of a cool little comparison, and I look forward to opening this for you right now, so let's get into it. Opening the little tab. I do have my handy-dandy unboxing knife, but I don't know that that will be necessary yet. I'm just going to open up the packaging real careful. As you can see, have a nice little welcoming note inside, and let's see what that says. It says, congratulations, by purchasing this product you have the chance to enter our exclusive CalDigit quarterly sweepstakes to win a fantastic prize. And we have a code on here which I'm not going to read out. I will have to check that out because who's going to say no to a free prize entry into a sweepstakes. We have a little bit of a warranty card here, and has a very friendly support agent's face on the front. It says, "Thank you for your recent purchase. We hope you enjoy using your CalDigit product as much as we've designing it. If you require any assistance setting up your new purchase or have any questions regarding a specific issue, please feel free to contact us on the details below." They give a phone number, an email address, and a web form URL. Okay, please only use the certified CalDigit cable supplied with this device. Use of other cables may affect compatibility and performance. That's an interesting point. For Windows users, make sure you're using a Thunderbolt 3.03 laptop that has the latest firmware and drivers. I think Mac won't necessarily require that. As long as it has 3.0, I think it'll have the drivers included. Here are some rubber feet included, so I can lay it sideways if I want, and personally I think I prefer that, so that it's not standing up. I don't want too many things vertically taking up room on my desk, although it will have a smaller footprint if you stand it vertically. It does include some nice little rubber feet you can put, so you can mount it sideways. I like that. Nice attention to detail. Got some cables. We got our USB, well, not USB, don't forget, the Thunderbolt 3. These are not cheap. I believe I got the 0.7 meter. It's a little bit less expensive, but the 0.7 meter distance for the cable. So Thunderbolt 3, great for charging, great for data connection, very fast, great for daisy chaining, and this should serve me well. It's a small, close quarters that I would need to connect it, so I didn't see the need for getting the longer, more expensive cabling option. At the top, we also have a very considerable power adapter, and you know what? I just wonder why, right? It has to support 85 watts of charging just the computer, let alone potentially powered, USB-A ports and other peripherals, things like that, and the dock itself, right? So here we have a very considerable adapter. Does it say the wattage? That's a great question. 20 volts at 9 amps. That's probably about 180 watts if I have my math correct here. Because it's current times voltage should be power. But you know what? I might be wrong on that, so let me know if I am in the description, not in the description, in the comments below. I believe there's a 180 watt power adapter, quite sizable, but it should do the trick. A cable that will connect the power adapter to the wall with. A little quick start guide that is made into the box, which is pretty freaking slick. I like that. Nice and sturdy. Not some flimsy piece of paper. It says, connect power to the CalDigit TS3 Plus, the Thunderbolt Station 3 Plus, with the supplied AC adapter. Power LED is not illuminated. Connect a Thunderbolt 3 cable from your computer to the Thunderbolt 3 port labeled computer on the device. Powered LED turns on automatically when the Thunderbolt 3 signal is detected, and then now you have power to expand your peripheral connectivity with the TS3 Plus via a single Thunderbolt 3 connection. I'm so used to saying USB, but this is so superior to USB. And wow, this thing is small and light, and but not too light. It's aluminum. It's nice and solid, but it's not as heavy and large as I thought it would be. It's nice and compact. I really like this design. Very, very nice. You can see it says CalDigit. It has the ports like I'd outlined: SD, audio out, audio in, USB-C and USB-A on the back. 4 USB-A. You got the computer connection via USB-C. You got another, not USB-C, via Thunderbolt 3. I'm sorry, I keep stepping in it today. Not USB. Thunderbolt 3, another peripheral can be connected there. You have, here's a USB 3.1, I believe. Here you have your optical digital out, and then you have your Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, power, and display port, which I look forward to trying out very, very shortly with that display that I showed off, the LG 4K 27-inch IPS display that I reviewed previously. Not reviewed, but unboxed and gave my initial impressions on. This is a very sleek little device. Let's unpackage it. Let's unbox it, if you will. See how we can do this in the cleanest way possible. Looks like it's pretty well sealed here. I don't know that there's a way to do this in Very nice way without tearing things. I always like to preserve the plastic as much as possible, but it looks like it is sealed in some fashion. So we're going to use our handy dandy unboxing knife. We're just going to pierce through that, tear it a smidge, put that down, tear it a little bit further, because to heck with the graceful thing, right? And slide that puppy out of there. Put it in the box, which has very nice padding. They really do, let me just show that off for a minute. They really do package that nicely with some nice foam. It's not just bouncing around like a lot of garbage you see today with just a couple pieces of foam. It's nice and surrounded. This thing is beautiful. It has beautiful grates. It's probably great for cooling. I just love this design. Very compact, very sturdy, metal construction, nice rubberized bottom foot here if you want to stand it vertically, or you can attach, like I was suggesting earlier, some of these optional feet that are included, which is a nice thoughtful gesture, so that you can set it down just like this, and you know this is the right way because that's how the lettering is read. So I look forward to testing it, using it myself, and hopefully putting up a review for all of you to see my reactions and my final thoughts after I have used it for a while, to give you an idea of whether it is a worthwhile product or not. But from the onset, it looks very promising. I'm very excited to try it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, please hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when a new video comes out. Smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. You can hit the thumbs down button or not if you didn't like it. Please leave me a comment, however, with any questions or comments about the video. Leave me a comment about what you liked, what you didn't like, and what I could do better, because I'm always trying to improve on this channel. Feedback is a gift, and I appreciate your feedback. Until next time, please continue to be yourself, be awesome, and do what makes you happy. See you on the next one.